Kritika studying class 7. I and my friends here for you to tell about poisonous, non-poisonous snakes and their precautions. Now, my friend named Kritika will tell you about how the farmers struggle in the farming.
Farmers often face many problems with snakes because they work in places where snakes live. Snake bite may cause serious health injury and loss of income. The fear of snakes also makes the farming risky and stressful. The snakes which are found in India are
Poisonous snakes are Russell's viper, bamboo pit viper, common crate, king cobra, saw-scale viper.
Russell's viper. Russell's viper has a brown body with large oval chain-like marks. It is about 4 to 5 feet long. Its venom causes severe pain, bleeding and damage to internal organs.
Bamboo pit viper. Bamboo pit viper is a green-colored poisonous snake commonly found in plantation areas. It is about 2 to 3 feet long. Its venom mainly affects blood and tissues, causing severe pain.
Common crate. It is a highly dangerous snake with a black or dark blue body and it has white bands. It grows about 3 to 5 feet in length. The venom attacks to the nerves and leads to paralysis.
King cobra. King cobra is the longest poisonous snake and with large foot can go up to 10 to 13 feet long. Its venom affects the nerve system and cause paralysis and respiratory failure.
Saw-scale viper. Saw-scale viper is a small snake with rough scales and zigzag pattern on its body. It's about 1 to 2 feet long. Its venom causes instant pain, swelling and bleeding. Non-poisonous snakes. Indian rock python, green vine snake.
Indian rock python. This is very large snake with a thick body and dark patches. It can grow up to 10 to 20 feet. It is non-poisonous to humans and mainly feeds on small animals.
Green vine snake. A thin bright green snake found on trees and bushes. It is non-poisonous to humans and mainly feed on small animals. Precautions to prevent snake bites. Wear boots, long pants and gloves while working in fields. Use a torch or light while walking at night. Do not walk barefoot. If bitten, go to the hospital immediately and do not tie home remedies. Thank you. Guided by G. Sharma, teacher.